In today's lesson, we are going to solve a circle geometry problem using three very important ideas: alternate segment theorem, angles on a straight line, and opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. If you understand this solution, many exam questions will become very easy for you. In the diagram, angle RTX is equal to 28 degrees, angle VRM equal to 46 degrees, MQ is a tangent to the circle VRSTU at the point R. Find angle VUS. Recall alternate segment theorem that says the angle between a tangent and a chord at the point of contact is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. In this diagram, our tangent is MQ and our chord that we are considering here is RX, and the theorem says this angle SRQ is equal to RTS. So we can say angle XRQ equal to angle RTX. Angle XRQ equal to 28 because our angle RTS is 28 degrees. The next thing that I want to do is to find our angle VRX, and angle VRM plus angle VRX plus angle XRQ is equal to 180 degrees because sum of angles on a straight line are supplementary. So angle VRM plus angle VRX plus angle XRQ equal to 180 degrees, and our angle VRM is 46 degrees. Our angle SRQ has been calculated, which is 28 degrees. Let us substitute it into this equation. 46 degrees plus angle VRS plus our angle SRQ, which is 28 degrees. 28 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle VRX equal to 180 degrees. If we transpose 46 degrees to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative, and also the same thing will happen to 28 degrees. So we have minus 46 degrees minus 28 degrees. Our angle VRX equal to 106 degrees. The summation of angle VRX and angle VUX is equal to 180 degrees because opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. Angle VRX plus angle VUX equal to 180 degrees. Our angle VRX is equal to 106 degrees. So let us substitute it into this equation. 106 degrees plus angle VUX equal to 180 degrees. Let us transpose 106 degrees to the right hand side and change the positive sign to negative sign. So we are going to have angle VUX equal to 180 degrees minus 106 degrees. Our angle VUX equal to 74 degrees. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.